And here we go through some more questions here. Now, as you can see, for these ones, we've got powers of zero, powers of zero. So what do we do in these cases where we've got powers of zero? Well, let's zoom in and look at this one right here. Now, what I really want you to know is, this entire thing is raised by zero. The entire thing is raised by zero. So I immediately know the answer is one. And I really think you'd be crazy to take any more than a second on this question. You need to be able to look at that and be like, the answer is one. I mean, if you wanted to, you could say, well, I'm distributing out this zero to each of these things here. So what does that mean? Well, what's 0 times 3? It's 3 to the power of 0. This would be x to the power of 0. This would be 2 to the power of 0. This would be x to the power of 0. Then all of these individual things would go to 1. It would be 1 times 1, 1 times 1, which is, wait for it, 1. How silly is that? Why would you do it that way? You should just go straight to, bang, the answer is 1. Do not waste your time. You do not have time to waste. All right, we continue. For this one, you've got to be discerning because as you see, this means 3 times x to the 0 minus, now this is 3x to the 0. This 3 is that, x to the 0 is 1. This entire thing is raised to 0, so it's going to be 1. So that means I'm going to get 3 minus 1, which the last time I checked was 2. So my answer is 2 there. So that's how you would answer that question, nice and easy. So just be careful about what's being raised to 0. Okay, hopefully you were successful with those questions. I'll see you in the next part.